What do astronauts eat in space? I'm curious about their meals and how they handle food up there.
Great question, Alex. Let's dive into the fascinating world of space food and see how astronauts manage their meals in space. Astronauts eat specially prepared meals designed to be nutritious and easy to handle in zero gravity. Foods are often vacuum sealed or freeze-dried to ensure they stay fresh for a long time. Did you know that space food has to be prepared with special techniques to avoid spoilage and ensure astronauts get all the necessary nutrients?
So what kind of food do they actually eat?
They have options like scrambled eggs, chicken teriyaki, and even desserts like brownies. They add water to rehydrate freeze-dried food and heat it up using a special food warmer. Here's a fun fact. The first space food was essentially pureed food squeezed from tubes, but now astronauts enjoy a variety of dishes thanks to advancements in food technology.
How do they heat their food and drinks in space?
They use a food warmer to heat sealed packets. For drinks, astronauts use pouches with straws to sip liquids, as gravity doesn't pull the liquid down. Interestingly, space food warmers use convection technology to ensure even heating. This is crucial because uneven heating could make some parts of the food too hot and others too cold.
What happens if food expires? Do they have to throw it away?
Yes, expired food is not consumed. Each food package is carefully monitored for its expiration date. If food expires, it's set aside to avoid any health risks. Space agencies conduct rigorous testing to ensure food safety.
Are there foods that astronauts can't eat in space?
Absolutely. Fresh bread is forbidden because it creates crumbs that could damage equipment. Carbonated drinks are also banned due to the bubbles mixing with the liquid and causing discomfort. Fresh fruits and vegetables are only allowed if they're consumed quickly before they spoil. Did you know that before tortillas were used, astronauts tried bread but the crumbs were a real issue? It was a simple solution with big benefits.
Imagine trying to drink a soda in space and burping bubbles.
Meals on the ISS are carefully planned. Astronauts receive a menu tailored to their nutritional needs. Each meal is designed to provide all the essential vitamins and minerals. They even have special tools to help them eat in zero gravity.
That sounds very organized. How do astronauts adjust their diets when they return to Earth?
Upon returning to Earth, astronauts gradually reintroduce fresh foods into their diets. Their bodies need to readjust to gravity, and a balanced diet helps them recover. They might experience changes in their taste preferences, as their senses can be altered by spending time in space. Fun fact: after spending time in space, astronauts can often find Earth foods to be more flavorful than they remember, as their taste buds can become more sensitive during space missions.
Are there any fun or special foods astronauts have in space?
Yes, astronauts celebrate special occasions with space food too. For example, they've had space Thanksgiving dinners with turkey and mashed potatoes, and even space ice cream. Space ice cream is a freeze-dried treat that's light and easy to eat in zero gravity. It was actually developed for space missions in the 1960s, and it's become a popular treat ever since.
Space food sounds amazing. I'd love to try some of it one day.
Who knows, Alex? You might just be the one to experience it in the future.
Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through space food. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Knowledge Nitro for more space adventures, and let us know in the comments, what space food would you like to try?